This summer, the market started showing a bit of energy, but August told a different story. Buyers decided to take a breather, whether for better price, more listings, and maybe those long-awaited interest rate cuts. And guess what? That pause has brought prices down to their lowest level in 5 years. Hi, I'm Jasmine Noronha, your patient realtor. Let's take a closer look at what really happened in the GTA housing market in August 2025 and what it could mean for you. Sales were up slightly compared to last year, about 2% higher, with just over 5,200 homes sold. But compared to July, the pace slowed right down. In fact, this was the second quietest August in 25 years. That tells us buyers are cautious, taking their time and waiting for the right moment. Meanwhile, sellers kept listing their homes. Over 14,000 new listings hit the market, the highest for any August since 2020. That pushed active inventory to nearly 27,500 homes, a record high. So buyers suddenly had way more choice and less competition. When we talk about months of supply, that's how long it would take to sell all the homes currently on the market if no new ones came up. In August, we hit 5.3 months, the highest since the 2008 financial crisis. In other words, buyers have the upper hand right now. And here's the big headline. Prices slid again. The average GTA home sold for just over $1,020,000, down more than 5% from last year and the lowest we have seen since 2020. Prices have been dropping for several months in a row. To put it in perspective, we are down over 23% from the all-time high back in early 2022. Not all home types are moving the same way. Detached homes saw more sales, but also the steepest price drop, down 7.5% to around 1.3 million. Semis and towns slipped just under 900K. And condos, their sales hit 22-year low with average price falling 5% to about 642,000. If you're a first-time home buyer, this would be the window you're waiting for. Where are the buyers actually shopping? Two clear trends. Homes under 600,000 are holding steady in demand. No surprises there. Affordability drives activity. And in condo market, units under 500,000 more than doubled in sales compared to last year, making up almost 60% of condo transaction. On the flip side, properties in the 900 to 1 million range slowed because the down payment rules changed. Buyers are now looking just about that range to stretch their dollar. When we break it down by region, Toronto actually outperformed the 905 area. Detached and semi-sales in the city were stronger, and downtown condos are showing signs of stability after 20% correction, basically bringing prices back to 2019 levels. Meanwhile, the 905 region like Peel, Durham are still sitting on a heavier inventory. So what does this all mean? Buyers are finally having a breathing room, more listings, less competition, and prices not seen in years. Sellers, on the other hand, need to be realistic. The market is crowded and the right pricing and the presentation are everything right now. Be keeping an eye on these shifts as we move into the fall market. If you'd like a personalized update for your neighborhood or want to know if now is the right time for you. Let's connect. Remember, patient decision, happy homes. And don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more insights.